Welcome to Crypto. My name is Arthur, and in this video, we're going to scan for triangle crypto arbitrage opportunities from different crypto exchanges. And of course, this is just an update because they have added a lot of crypto exchanges, as you can see. So if you have got an account from any of these crypto exchanges, then you can simply take advantage of triangle crypto arbitrage, including Get.io, KuCoin, Bybit, and all these, So the link to the scanner is going to be in the description below as well. But other than that, let's get right into it without wasting any time. So let's select the crypto exchange that you want to use today. And of course, there's a lot of crypto exchanges at the moment, including Bybit, BitGet, and all that good stuff. I've got some funds on BitGet, so I'm just going to go ahead with BitGet, But if you have got Luno Crypto Exchange or Vala Crypto Exchange, then those crypto exchanges are really good at the moment as well. We've been killing it and taking advantage of triangle crypto arbitrage opportunities from those crypto exchanges. But in this video, let's go ahead with BitGet Crypto Exchange, and amounts right here, we're gonna put 200 USD, because a lot of you requested me to start with 200 USD. But you can go with any amount. Minimum amount is usually like 50 USD, very low, But I prefer to have like a lot of capital on your crypto exchange, just so that we can make reasonable profits, because we're dealing with percentages right here. So I want to see the top 20 opportunities, and at least profit threshold should be 0.3%, So these are my default settings, but if you want to modify and all that good stuff, you are free to do all that. But other than that, once you get access, you can simply copy what I'm doing here. So it's very simple. All I have to do is just to click apply, and then it's gonna give us triangle crypto arbitrage opportunities. And after that, we're gonna go to BitGet and then do a live triangle crypto arbitrage and stuff like that. And the link to the scanner is going to be in the description below as well. All right, so as you can see right now, we have got our first opportunity, which is XRP to BTC, and this one is giving us at least 3.4%, followed by this one is giving us 3%. So we'd rather take the first one because percentage is kind of good. And then we're just gonna jump into a BitGet Crypto Exchange. I already have an account on BitGet Crypto Exchange, and of course I'm gonna use an app on my phone, you know what I mean? So without any further ado, guys, let's jump quickly into my phone and take advantage of this triangle crypto arbitrage opportunity that it has found right now. But many people, but also a lot of people asked me, how many minutes do you have for you to take advantage of opportunity if it has found? So basically it's just like 6 minutes to 7 minutes to take advantage of opportunity before it quickly changes and stuff like that. But before it changes, the opportunity here would also disappear. So basically all these opportunities are found in real time. So without further ado, guys, let's quickly get into BitGet Crypto Exchange and then take advantage of this opportunity. All right, guys, so right now I'm recording my screen on BitGet app, as you can see. So I'm just gonna quickly take advantage of this triangle crypto arbitrage, of course, and this is our capital and this amount we put on the scale and stuff like that. So without further ado, guys, let's not waste any time and stuff like that. Let's quickly take advantage of this triangle crypto arbitrage. So of course, what we need first is to get some XRP, and let's search right here XRP like this, right? So it should be somewhere here. We got XRP to USDT. So other people were asking me, can we use a limit order or a market order? So the answer to this question is you can use a market order or a limit order. Doesn't really matter, because there's a lot of liquidity on BitGet. So we can simply use a limit order or a market order. Doesn't really matter. But because of time and stuff like that, I like using a market order. As you can see, this order has been successful, executed and stuff like that. We can also check it right here. So now you can see that I've got some XRP, as you can see. So right now we're gonna have to swap this XRP to BTC. You have to follow exactly what scanner showed you. All right, so now we're gonna have to swap XRP to BTC. So we're simply gonna go right there and then search right here XRP to BTC, or can just type BTC like this and look for XRP. Okay, so here we go, XRP, here we go, XRP to BTC. You can see that I don't have any BTC right here, and then I'm simply gonna go ahead and sell this XRP to BTC right here, and of course I'm gonna sell 100% of it. As you can see, let's simply use a market order, so it's gonna get executed immediately, right here. Here we go. All right, and then sell to BTC. As you can see, now we're simply gonna go ahead to BTC and then sell our BTC to USDT. All right, so simply gonna go ahead to BTC to USDT right here, and then we sell all of it. As you can see, this is only BTC that we have because we sold our XRP to BTC. All right, so we're gonna sell 100% of it like this to USDT, and here we go, we sold all of it, as you can see. So let's check if we made any progress right here. As you can see now, this is what we have in our wallet, and this triangle crypto arbitrage opportunity was done successfully without any delays and stuff like that, and was very, very simple. And this is what we have right now, you know. So this was very, very simple, and the link to the scanner is going to be in the description below as well. You can try it with any crypto exchange that is listed on the scanner and all that good stuff. And if you want any help, you can contact me on WhatsApp, Telegram, and all that good stuff, or email, and you're gonna get any help that you want. But other than that, therefore guys, I'll send the video love and peace, and gonna keep on coming up with all these kind of videos every day because you guys enjoy these videos. And therefore guys, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm, and then we're gonna pick a random subscriber to get access to the scanner for free and all that. So make sure you leave your comment and let me know what you think about triangle crypto arbitrage and all that good stuff.